Good day, everyone. We're here as a group that will represent and inform you about the different systems that we talk about in this video. What are those? Those are female reproductive system, male reproductive system, nervous system, and endocrine system. If you are curious about this, please keep watching.
Discussion time! Female reproductive system. What is the female reproductive system? The female reproductive system is made up of the internal and external sex organs that function in reproduction of new offspring. What is its function, or how it works? The internal and external part of the female reproductive system and its function. The female reproductive system has the following functions. 1. Produce female sex cells. 2. Receive sperm cells from the male. 3. Nurtures the development and provides nourishment for the new individual. Female reproductive system produces the female egg cells necessary for reproduction called ova. Ova, singular term for ova is ovum. The reproductive system is designed to transport the ova to the site of fertilization. The internal reproductive organs of the female are located within the pelvis. What are the parts of female reproductive system and their roles? Vagina. The vagina is a canal that joins the cervix, the lower part of uterus, to the outside of the body. Vagina is also known as the birth canal. Uterus or womb. The uterus is a hollow, pear-shaped organ that is the home of a developing fetus. The uterus is divided into two parts. The cervix, which is the lower part that opens into the vagina. Cervix, and the main body of the uterus called corpus. The corpus can easily expand to hold a developing body. Ovaries. The ovaries are small oval-shaped glands that are located on either side of the uterus. The ovaries produce eggs and hormones. Fallopian tube. These are narrow tubes that are attached to the upper part of the uterus and serve as tunnels for the ova. Egg cells to travel from the ovaries to the uterus. Conception, the fertilization of an egg by a sperm, normally occurs in the fallopian tubes. The external female reproductive structure. The function of the external female reproductive structure is twofold: to enable sperm to enter the body. When a female reaches puberty, egg cells start to develop in her ovaries that produce the sex cells. It is also time when the body develops the capacity to conceive to become pregnant. A woman's reproductive system is a delicate and complex system in the body. Why this female reproductive system is important to our life? It is important to take steps to protect it from infection and injury and prevent problems including some long-term health problems. Taking care of ourselves and making healthy choices can help protect us and our loved ones.
The male reproductive system. What is a male reproductive system? The male reproductive system is a network of external and internal organs that function to produce, support, transport, and deliver viable sperm for reproduction. What is its function or how it works? The functions of the male reproductive system includes producing and transporting sperm, ejaculating sperm into the female reproductive tract, producing and secreting male hormones. What are the parts of male reproductive system and their roles? Here's the important parts of a male reproductive system. External parts consist the following. 1. Penis. This is the external male organ used in sexual intercourse and also has an important urinary role. It contains the urethra, which carries urine from the bladder to the external urethral orifice where it's expelled from the body. 2. Scrotum, the bag of skin that holds and helps to protect the testicles. 3. Testicles or testes. The main function of the testes is producing and storing sperm. They are also crucial for creating testosterone and other male hormones. 4. Epididymis. It is a long coiled tube that stores sperm and transports it from the testes. And that's for the external parts. So now, let's go to the internal parts. It consists the following. 1. Vas deferens. It transports mature sperm to the urethra in preparation for ejaculation. 2. Ejaculatory ducts. Each ejaculatory duct is about 2 cm in length and is created when the seminal vesicles duct merges with the vas deferens. Semen flows through each ejaculatory duct during ejaculation, traveling through the penis to exit the body. 3. Urethra. Tube that transmits urine from the bladder to the exterior of the body during urination and expels semen when the man reaches orgasm. 4. Seminal vesicles, a pair of sac-like glands that can be found within the male pelvis. They are responsible for producing the majority of the components that make up semen. 5. Prostate gland. The prostate gland primary function is to produce the fluid that nourishes and transports sperm or seminal fluid. 6. Bulbourethral glands or Cowper's gland, a pair of pea-shaped exocrine glands located on the sides of the urethra below the prostate gland. They contribute to the final volume of semen by producing a lubricating mucus secretion. And now that you learned the functions of the important parts of the male reproductive system, let's move to the last question. And that question is... Why is male reproductive system important to our life? Male reproductive system is important to our life since this system is really needed for reproduction. With this, we can ensure the survival of humans or other species.
The nervous system. Questions. What is nervous system? The nervous system is a control system of the body and is a bit like a computer. The brain is similar to the software and is responsible for making decisions, and the nerves are like the hardware or wiring that communicates those decisions with the rest of the body. How do nervous system works? The nervous system takes in information through our senses, processes the information and triggers reactions, such as making your muscle move or causing you to feel pain. For example, if you touch a hot plate, you reflexively pull back your hand, and your nerves simultaneously send pain signals to your brain. What are the parts of nervous system? These are the parts of nervous system. The nervous system has two main parts. The central nervous system is made up of the brain and spinal cord, while the peripheral nervous system is made up of nerves that branch off from the spinal cord and extend to all parts of the body. Why nervous system is important? The nervous system helps all the parts of the body to communicate with each other. It also reacts to changes both outside and inside the body. The nervous system uses both electrical and chemical means to send and receive messages.
What is endocrine system and its function? Endocrine system is made of glands that produce and secrete hormones, chemical substances produced in the body that regulate the activity of cells and organs. These hormones regulate the body's growth, metabolism, sexual development, and function. What are the parts of endocrine system? Hypothalamus. This organ connects your endocrine system with your nervous system. Pineal gland. It makes a chemical called melatonin that helps your body get ready to go to sleep. Pituitary gland. It secretes hormones into your bloodstream. Thyroid gland. This gland makes thyroid hormone which controls your metabolism. Thymus. This gland makes white blood cells called the lymphocytes that fight infection and are crucial as a child's immune system develops. Adrenal glands, best known for making the fight or flight hormone. Pancreas. This organ is part of both your digestive and endocrine system. Ovary. In women, this organ makes estrogen and progesterone. These hormones help develop risk at puberty, regulate the menstrual cycle, and support a pregnancy. Testicle. In men, the testes make testosterone. It helps them facial and body hair at puberty. It also tells the penis to grow larger and plays a role in making sperm. So, why is the endocrine system is important to our life? The endocrine system controls growth and development during childhood, regulation of bodily function in adults, and the reproductive process. The endocrine system is important for the control and regulation of all the major functions and processes of the body. Thank you.